Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is David Minto. They also call me Tipster Dave. And guess what we're going to be doing in today's video? We are going to look at Systeme.io, which is a tool that has helped me in my journey change everything and my future as well for affiliate marketing. So I really want to share this tool with you because I think it's very good for a beginner, an intermediate marketer, and also an advanced marketer if you're interested. It has everything in one place, and price wise, I want to go through the plans today and see what is best fit for you. So let me go ahead and share with you on my screen not only Systeme.io but why this video is being made in the first place. Okay guys, I'm here on my screen, and before I go ahead and share with you exactly about Systeme.io, I just want to give you a little bit of backstory about myself. I am an affiliate marketer for the last few years. I've had my ups and downs. Everything has gone well, and also I've learned a lot of things along the way. That being said, I decided this year to change things up and simplify it, and kind of simplify and document everything that I'm doing to show each and every person who wants to get started how to get to $1,000 at least per month with affiliate marketing. Once you hit that threshold of $1,000 per month, then everything actually works pretty much on autopilot, because you can start to develop and scale up your business quite quickly because you have a consistent, stable income that's coming in with this method. So I wanted to simplify it and do it in the most easiest way possible with the least amount of time. Now, the reason for that is I do have a full-time job. I do affiliate marketing on the side. And as I said, I wanted to spend the least amount of time online by doing this, and as well leverage systems and tools that I have in order for me to get the most done in the least amount of time and still have a life and go out about and do things. And my job is my priority for sure, but I do have a dog, I do have a family, I do have things to do. So this is what I am trying to share with you, and actually leverage that time in order for me to get the most results. So obviously in doing that, in that thought process, in doing that, I have tools, and I was looking for the best tool out there, because in the past, I will be sharing this in a second, I was using a couple of tools to get this work done, and I was actually spending more money than I was making. With this right now, I'm actually making more money than I'm spending with these tools that I'm going to be sharing with you today. Actually, it can be absolutely free as well. So before I get into explaining what Systeme.io, what the plan is, the strategy itself has two methods. So the whole concept that I put together has two methods. You see, with affiliate marketing, you have two skill sets that are very important. One is copywriting, and the second is advertising. For the most part, we're focusing on advertising, but we're improving our copywriting. This is what I'm trying to get to the message across to everybody, specifically in this series. And guys, if you like what you hear so far and you like the transparency in my explanation to you guys, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because I'm always welcome to have more subscribers more than anything else, but also document my journey with you guys. So I'm happy to share these details very transparently along this journey with you. And that's something that I feel is as a recommendation, obviously, but you can also comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So there are two main steps that I follow because of these two methods. So like I said, advertising is something that many people focus on because it is, let's say, it's the fuel, it's the blood, you need to have it so that it keeps the machine working, right? So that's the advertising that you need to have. But copywriting is an improving skill set that you can improve your emails, you can improve your landing page, you can improve your bridge page, you can improve your offer if you create an offer now. So as a beginner marketer, as an intermediate marketer, or also even as an experienced marketer, this is really important to have copywriting skill sets in your let's say in the view, in your whole overview. It's really good to have copywriting as a skill set. You can also go out and use copywriting as a skill set, with other companies, marketing efforts. It's a whole range of things that you can do with copywriting. So it's a skill that you need to improve. You don't need to get scared about it or getting started with it, but it's something that you need to have in your mind that it is going to be improved over time, first and foremost. Okay. So this formula that I'm using goes into two steps. The first step is paid advertising, or getting a way to generate cash flow. Why do I say that? And I talk about this on Mondays. I talk about this on Mondays because the only amount that I'm actually spending in my entire structure this way is $30 per month, which is the least amount that I believe that is possible that you can spend. And I'm literally spending just $30 a month on a traffic source that gets me to an offer, and then I get a sale which obviously generates cash flow. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I focus a lot on paid advertising because I want to leverage my time. So I'm using money and I'm not spending so much time. If you have more time than money, then you can do the vice versa, right? But I focus on spending my cash flow that I'm earning from step one. So I'm not going out of pocket, and I am purchasing advertising to my landing page, and then this whole system goes in place. So the automation or the leveraging of my time is done in step number 2. And I use a tool called Systeme.io in step number 2 to create my landing page, to create my bridge page, to create my emails, to create the offers in the future, to create so much that I am doing. I'm using Systeme.io. So let me go ahead and just share with you the tool in itself. I started using it in February this year, guys, and I'm loving it so far. And more than anything else, I believe that it is, like you can see, over 300,000 entrepreneurs are using this already. It's not a small company. It is definitely going in par and par, head to head with ClickFunnels and other entrepreneurial companies as well. But like I said, more than anything else is that it is created by a marketer himself, and it is also used in such a way that you will be amazed. So first and foremost, I'm going to go through this whole of why, right? So the short version of why I choose Systeme.io, and this is honestly why I personally chose it, right? Is because well, let's build the opportunity of an online business with everything under one roof, and let's just make it cheaper. That's the whole purpose behind it. So what they did was they created a powerful tool that is 10 times cheaper than any other alternatives, which is very true. 10 times cheaper than any other alternatives out there in the market right now. And at the same time, the features are there, which are there for a long term, and they're improving constantly. Like the improvements that I've seen on the short time that I've done this is amazing. So it's obviously by a French entrepreneur. He started this business in 2010. So it's just been about, it's been about in 2010, he started doing all of this. And I think he launched Systeme.io in 2016, 2017. I'm not sure exactly when, but it's been a great tool. It's got a lot of awesome feedback, so you can create your free account whenever you want and check that out. So what are the features of Systeme.io? Just to let you know, the features are pretty much all of this. So you can create sales funnels, you can create your emails, and you don't need to pay a lot for this. Let me get to that in a second. It is a website builder. You can have your own affiliate program. Let's say in the future, as a bigger affiliate marketer, you create your own affiliate program. You can host it on Systeme.io, and you can share that with your audience and build that alongside, maybe let's say hosting it on Warrior Plus, hosting on others. You can also have it purely for this, and obviously with some extra bonuses if they go through the affiliate program in Systeme.io itself. Because you're using this tool, you want to help build the tool, and having an affiliate program helps build the tool up. So it's really up to you to see where this is done. Obviously, the payment methods is very important here. The payouts for affiliate programs and everything else is related definitely to your own payment structure. So if you have any issues with the payment gateways, that's on you, not on Systeme.io. You have to solve that out and get it there. I'm saying this because I know that sometimes people don't connect these two things, and they blame it on the tool when it's actually not the tool, it's the payment gateway in itself. And obviously they're improving the payment gateways as they go along. There's a lot of business automation which I really wanted to focus on. So this is something that when I started, I was like, okay, this is for my future. Evergreen webinars also for my future, online courses also for my future, blogging for my present, selling products for my present. So you can see that there are things that you can do now and in the future, all under one tool, right? The sales process is quite amazingly put together because it's so simple, and there are a lot of testimonials. So I'm not going to go into it. I have a whole playlist in the description if you want to check out on Systeme.io, and I'll leave also a playlist to how to get to $1,000 per month. You can check those two out and see how to get it. Additionally, if you want this tool, I'm going to say it out now, and I might say it at the end, but I just want to say it out right now. If you want this tool, the link to this tool, there are going to be two links in the description. One is to the annual plan, and one is completely for the free tool. And now let's get into the pricing specifically. So these are the plans that are there. In my perspective, if you're a new marketer, I think you should always get started for free. Let me just be upfront about that and transparent. I think you should start for free if you're a new email marketer. If you are an intermediate marketer, I would get started with the startup plan. And then once you hit 5,000 contacts, I would skip the webinar plan, to be honest, and I would go straight over to the unlimited plan, because by then with 5,000 contacts, you would be making $1,000 a year. That's pretty much guaranteed almost. Once you are making that $1,000 a year, you can easily spend it, on 1 year's subscription and then go ahead from there. That's in my perspective the best approach. And I'm not saying it because I want you guys to skip over the webinar one. It's just because when you hit the unlimited, you have everything any which ways. So you get everything all together and the difference is not much. So let's look at it from a monthly. So I'm saying going from $27 to $97 a month. Okay. Like I said, if you're a new marketer, let's get it up front. You start off for free. There are some limitations in the sense that, for example, yes, you can have 2,000 contacts. Yes, you can have unlimited email sent. So this is something that not other offers give you for this price. Let me repeat that once again. This unlimited emails is not something that other offers or other platforms give you at this price, which is nada, which is nothing, guys. $0 per month free, and you're getting unlimited emails sent. With ClickFunnels, you need to pay at least, if I'm not mistaken, $147 to have that feature. And actually, let's check it out. Okay, if I go to ClickFunnels just to look at the pricing, and I want to see the pricing, let me just give me a second. Obviously, ClickFunnels is an amazing tool. Don't get me wrong, right? But I'm just trying to show you the benefits of Systeme.io for you to make that decision. So when you're going for a free 127 right now, okay? So 127, you still will unlimited 10,000 contacts, unlimited courses, etc., but it doesn't say how many emails. It says contacts alone, but it doesn't say how many emails you can, unlimited email sequences. Okay. So for unlimited, even at the basic unlimited email sequences, you will still pay $147 or $127 a month to get that. So at this price of nothing, you're still getting unlimited email sequences here. So you see the difference in your saving $127 just on the emails. That's the basic. Then obviously on the sales funnels, you can have just 3, you can have 15 steps, you can have 1 blog, unlimited blog post, 1 course, unlimited students for that course. So you can already start earning from these courses if you want to create a course, right? Community members, a file storage is unlimited. This is where I think the limitations exist for the free members. The automations, the workflows, the tags, the campaigns, the one-click upsells, the order bumps, the A/B testing, the coupons. These are the limitations because it's all one. So it is definitely limited. But as a new person, do you need a lot of automation rules? No. Do you need a lot of workflows? No. Do you need a lot of tags? No. I would say no. I would say stick to one because it's keeping you focused on getting those results. So as a free member, I think anybody new who's getting started with affiliate marketing or any marketing for that matter should get the free membership. Link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. The second is startup. Why am I saying startup to then unlimited? Is simply because the startup has 5,000 contacts first and foremost, which is already quite good, right? But let me show you this. It's still less than ClickFunnels. It's because ClickFunnels gives you 10,000 contacts, so that's 47. So this would be 10 times. This is $47 for the webinar, and ClickFunnels for the basic would be 127 or 147. So look how much you're saving even with the webinar if you want to jump into the webinar. But the one for the startup, why am I saying that is because first and foremost, you can create 10 sales funnels, 50 funnel steps in 5 blogs, doesn't matter, but 5 courses in 5 communities. But the main thing is here, when you get to the intermediate phase, then you have 10 automation rules. So you can have and 10 tags. It means you can have small mini funnels, let's say, for people to have a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, let's say high ticket offer, all there. And you can have the automations in such a place that if it's interesting for the high ticket, it's more targeted. It's way more targeted as an intermediate marketer to get the workflows in place, get the whole structure so that you are leveraging the most of the traffic that's coming in and they're getting segregated into lists, in this case tags, because here it's called tags, in quite instantly. And that's what's going to make a difference for you. The automation, in my opinion, is what's going to make the difference for you in your marketing to convert more, specifically low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket, whatever it is that you are looking for the best. So in my opinion, as an intermediate marketer, you can stick with the startup because it has all the bells and whistles, in my opinion. And then you can jump on to the unlimited platform because everything is unlimited after that. And if you surpass 5,000 contacts, I would 100% say go to the unlimited. Otherwise, if you want to jump over, to the $47 per month, then obviously go ahead and do that. And if you go for it annually, guys, these prices are amazing. Having it at less than $250 a year for the startup is brilliant. And in fact, the link for this yearly plan is in the description of this video. So in case you do want to get the startup for the year, the link is in the description. And even less than $1,000 per year on the unlimited is by far, in my opinion, is by far the best deal that you can. Now imagine that you go for the annual. This is the annual plan. Okay, this is 208 per month. So now I just want to show you, for a tool like ClickFunnels, if you are getting yearly, you would be paying 2,500 at least. So again, this is a discount for the unlimited plan with all the bells and whistles that you need for your business. These are the plans. I wanted to go through the plans in details because I had a lot of questions over the past few weeks regarding Systeme.io and the plans, and I wanted to share with you guys this information on the channel so I can even share this video with other people. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to get started with Systeme.io and you're newbie, go for the free membership. Link is in the description. If you're not and you want to check out the intermediate or the others, then obviously that is there as well. At the most, you can always get started for free. And when you want, you can upgrade at any point of time. Let me show you myself. If I'm on the free account, because I'm showing this whole entire process with people, how to get started for free. So technically right now, I'm not paying for Systeme.io, but if I show you my contacts, just to give you an idea, I'm still under 1,000 contacts. So once I reach that another 1,000 contacts, I will go to the startup plan, guys. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea. And always in your account, you have the upgrade option right here. When you click, and you can go on to the next plan if you want. So you can even go to it directly for a year billing or not. So everything is here. I would say at the most, just get the freemium plan or get the plan right in the description, the free plan, and then at a later stage you can go ahead and upgrade at any point of time. And guys, just to be clear, they do have a certification process that's there, so you will understand the tool immediately. When you go to the dashboard here, you see student dashboard, and you can see right here there's a certification process. So how to understand the tool, exactly how to see everything, you can get right here. Plus you have 2 additional, if I'm not mistaken, courses that they're giving you with YouTube and also with email marketing, which is all brilliant for you guys. So there's a lot of value that that Systeme.io is giving you, and if you are interested, I highly suggest to get the tool. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video.